A pleasant morning to all the students of class 9. I hope you are fine, your family members too are fine. Let's commence our virtual learning. In the previous class, I described to you about Himalayas, the northern plains and peninsular plateau. Today, let us learn about the Indian desert. Try to forget the tours, the ink tours which is shown on the map of India. At first, you have to know the exact location of the Indian desert. You have seen in the map that it is lying towards western margin. The Indian desert, that is the Thar desert. You have seen that it covers the western part of Rajasthan and extends to Pakistan. This Thar desert, it is having undulating sandy plains, and you know that it is covered with sand dunes, a hill of sand. Everybody knows that this region, it receives very low rainfall, that is below 150 millimeters per year, and the climatic conditions is very arid. Arid means it is dry, and you know that there is very low vegetation cover. Another feature of this great Indian desert is that the streams, they show their face only during the rainy season. Now you might be, it is an arid region, there may not be any river in this region, but if you're thinking so, you are wrong. There is one river in this region and its name is Luni. So Luni is the only large river in this great Indian desert. Let's together proceed with the next physical feature, that is the coastal plains. This coastal plain is divided into two divisions, the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. Now I will differentiate the two for you so that you understand the concept better. Children, when I am explaining to you, you please stare at the map that is given in this slide. Now the western coastal plain is lying towards the west side and between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. I hope it is clear. The eastern coastal plain, it is lying towards the east side between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The western coastal plain is narrow in width, as you can see, whereas the eastern coastal plain are wider. Third point of difference is about the fertility. Western coastal plain happens to be less fertile and eastern coastal plain more fertile, comparatively more fertile. Then western coastal plain receives more rainfall and eastern coastal plain receives comparatively less rainfall. Another point of difference is that from north to south, the western coastal plains are divided into Konkan coast, Kannad coast and Malabar coast. Eastern coastal plains are divided into northern Sirkar and Coromandel coast.